Good morning, guys. For today's video,
Oh, sorry.
we are going to unbox this one that I have ordered the other day. So let's start this, and with the help of my son, again, Ringo. Hello. Good morning. So yes, we will start. Start now. We will see what's that. I'm very excited now. Oh, what's that? Is that the Tauri? What's this? Can we just open it, please? Tauri, come on, yet, wait, don't spot it. This is the one I'm waiting for, baby.
For the Apple Watch.
For the Apple Watch also, the tempered glass. It's together, come. No? Together, come, no? Zweimal.
Ja.
So, can you open, please, the Apple Watch, please?
Als
Apple Watch
erstes,
als erstes.
das ist für die Apple Watch.
Ja.
Nass und trocken.
And now it's
Die
this.
Hülle.
Yeah, the hülle.
Zwei
Wow,
Hüllen
maybe
sogar.
later we just can make it for
Für die Apple Watch.
the other one.
Und das ist fürs iPhone, glaube ich. Hier ist öffnen. Hier ist öffnen so. Und hier befindet sich
Wow.
diese Hülle.
Oh, wow, I love it.
Dazu noch. Ja.
Mach mal bitte auf, bitte.
Das ist eine Hülle.
Oh, wow, this is
Vorsichtig.
cool.
Und das hier ist, glaube ich, fürs
First, the tempered
Folie.
glass. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys.
Ja, und das ist, wenn du
This is
hier
for the
Stickers
temper.
machst und das hier.
The sticker here for the
Kannst du hier, wenn du Folie
yeah, no?
und auch hier für die Apple Watch.
Oh, wow, this is cool. Sticker guide and
Wenn du für die Folie machst.
alcohol pad and also for the cleaning everything and now for the next video I will be going to put the hülle, the temper glass for my iPhone and for the because I really need to secure my iPhone. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Yes, guide sticker, everything. Check mo bitte. It's not bitte. Yeah.
Das war ja noch mit drin. Für Apple Watch.
Dust absorber.
Für die Folie.
Yes. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and it will be very nice if you can also again hit the notifications bell button so that you will be updated here. Thank you so much. Happy weekend. Bye, Ringo.
Ja.
Bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.